My dear students, let us discuss about an introduction to Tally, a complete accounting software. In BCom, we have a subject like computerized accounting. Here we have a ERP package by name Tally. Tally is a Indian accounting software company where the headquarters are there in Bangalore. It is a multinational company. Nearly 1.8 million small and medium sized companies are using Tally software for their accounting solutions. As it is a ERP package, ERP means Enterprise Resources Planning. It is a complete accounting ERP package for the whole organization. Here, my dear students, here Tally will allow the user to do accounts digitally. Digital accounting. Digital accounting means usage of the computers for the purpose of doing accounts. As we know, my dear students, accounts is a live subject. Every day numerous transactions will happen. If you are depending on manual accounting, it is a time consuming process. To do the accounts very quickly, to generate the reports very quickly, most of the small and medium sized companies are depending on Tally software. And one more interesting thing is Tally will provide Suvidha services for GST also. There is a goods and services tax which was enforced from the year 2016 and 2017. Here Tally is providing all the kinds of services for GST also. See, ignoring GST and all, my dear students, because today it is only an introductory class, the important feature of the Tally is manually whatever accounts we can do, like writing debit and credit for journal entries and ledgers and all, the same can be done with the help of computer and accounting software by name Tally. Means when some cash is coming into the business, cash account is to be debited. When cash is paid, cash account is to be credited. Like manually how you are doing by applying all the three rules like personal, real and nominal, the same thing can be done with the help of computers and Tally accounting software. And the important feature of Tally is once if you are posting a transaction, it automatically posts it into journal, ledger, trial balance and final accounts at a time. Within no time that will be posted. Means that is one of the important feature. Another feature of Tally is you can generate reports like sales report, like purchases report, like receipts and payment receipt, cash balance receipt, everything can be generated with the help of Tally. Then my dear students, you know, in accounts we prepare BRS, bank reconciliation statements. Here you can make BRS with the help of Tally. When you have a cash book, when you have more than one or two bank accounts, then automatically the comparison will be done. That is also one of the important feature of the Tally. Then third important feature of Tally is whatever accounting reports that you are generating in Tally ERP9, that will be exported to MS Excel. Means Excel data can be taken into Tally and Tally data can be taken into MS Excel. That is also one of the main feature of Tally ERP9. And another feature of Tally is you can use only keyboard for the purpose of doing all the programs. For everything one letter will be highlighted. For example, if you want to quick Tally, Q will be there highlighted, and if you want to create a company, C will be highlighted. Means here there will be a conversation between mouse and keyboard. Here keyboard will be used for many cases, and here in Tally ERP9 there are many function keys. Every function key is having its own feature. Means here Tally accounting software is a user friendly software where you can do accounts digitally. The accounting software which is helpful for doing accounts digitally is known as Tally. in detail in coming days we are going to learn how to use Tally. See, the thing is, there is one website, www.tally.com, if someone is there. From there you can download Tally software. However, we need to purchase the software for the purpose of doing accounts in our organization. However, for the students, there is one trial software is there, which is known as education software. By going to education mode, by selecting a education software, you can learn how to use Tally. First of all, as you know, my dear students, Tally is not an inbuilt application in your computer. Means you need to download the software and you need to activate Tally. Okay. So for that, what I said is go to website and there you can download, or you can buy the software from outside. Okay. See, then how accounts will be done with the Tally means, first of all, the very beginning step in Tally ERP 9 is you have to create a company. Without creating a company, my dear students, you cannot do anything. That is the important thing. Means after learning the basics, whatever are there in Tally ERP 9, first of all, you have to create a company. What is the meaning of creation of company? If you want to do accounts on your name, means on your name, like Gayatri, like Vandana, like Manoj, like these names, by using the company name, you have to create a company. My dear students, in coming days, definitely I am going to say how to create a company. Means if you want to do accounts in Tally, first of all, you have to create a company. Means at a glance, I want to say, my dear students, Tally is an accounting software, ERP software. It is a complete solution for all kinds of accounting problems. It simplifies entire accounting process. So there are some drawbacks of manual accounting. So here Tally will overcome all those kind of drawbacks. Because when we are using computers in accounting, we can do accounts digitally. The digitalization accounting is known as using of Tally, my dear students. Tally is a Indian company which is a MNC also. Throughout the world, there are many companies which are using Tally for their accounting solution. And for the purpose of doing accounts, I said we have to create a company. After creation of the company only, the first process will be begun. My dear students, get some idea on Tally. Tally is at a glance, I want to say only 5 points. 1. Tally is a accounting software. 2. With the help of Tally, you can do accounts digitally, digitalization accounts. Third one, how manually you are using the rules of debit and credit, the same can be done in Tally also. The fourth one is report generation. Report generation can be done in case of inventory reports. How much is closing stock and how much is purchase, how much is sales, how much quantity is there, inventory reports, financial reports, any general reports, ratios for comparison. Comparing means comparison of the performance of the company with last year to current year, or comparison between one company and another company, that can be made with the help of Tally reports. Means here the ERP packages will enable the user to use the software for multiple purposes. And the fifth thing is very, very important. First of all, if you want to do Tally, you have to download the software. First you need to download the software, then only you can use the Tally. Now if you are as a student, if you want to use, there is one education software is there, that is a free software where all functions you can use, but one or two functions you cannot use. Okay, means for learning purpose it is very good software only. Means, my dear students, in computerized accounting, you keep in mind one side theory will be there, on the other hand more and more practicals will be there. For a student who is in BCom, is having the opportunity to get a job in accounting process by learning Tally. Okay, thank you my dear students. If you like my video, please like it, please share it. If you have any doubts, please comment. I will give the answer in coming days. Please subscribe to my channel.